Welcome back, CNG 132. I'm sorry, CNG 124 to Monday. Let's see, this week, Larimer is back. Westminster and Boulder are going on vacation. We see this due as on the 31st. So the week that everyone is back, this week will be due. There is no new reading, I believe. Or there is new reading, Section 2, Basic Router Configuration. No presentation, I'm pretty sure of. Yeah, no presentation. But this week we look at the Cisco router, the 1941, and the configuring routers and packet tracer, which they both go together. So when you look at this, realize that one fits with the other and start to write down the commands that you do with the Cisco router into and use that for configuring routers and packet tracer. They will both be used in kind of conjunction to get you going, but then once we move on from this week, make sure to keep Lab 15, make a finalized one so you have it up and running, so you really understand how to set up the routes in Packet Tracer, because 15 will be a template for most of your homework from here on out. Let's see, Subnetting 5 deals with A, B's, and C's. Oh, I got the wrong date in there. Oh, Subnetting 5 is a rehearsal. So I'll remake that, get that date out of there, and try to fix those A, B's, and C's. I don't know why they come up as a different letter. But that's kind of like a rehearsal product for you. When you take the CompTIA or take a MTA, Microsoft Technology Associate exam, you're going to see more questions like the ones you see in that Subnetting 5, where they ask you to identify certain aspects of this, or of the IP address, or of the subnet mask, or categorize two IPs and find that and verify that they're in the same subnet. More questions like that when you come to certification tests. Let's see. Yeah, this week I should have a couple homework videos. No homework videos. I will put up a homework video showing you how, once I get in the lab, showing you how the real device is an exact replica of the digital device that you guys are working with. I always think it's interesting that students, I can teach them either on one or the other, but then when I introduce them to the opposite, either physical or virtual, there's a little bit of confusion, but there doesn't need to be any confusion at all, because you're just dealing with a different platform, I guess, than you're used to. But all the commands are the same, all the ports are the same, everything is the exact same except for you're dealing either in a virtual environment or a real environment for that. Let's see, this week I'll grade up to week 9, get it all caught up there, and then if you guys need any questions, please reach out. If there's any lab discussions, I didn't see any lab discussions, okay. What else? If you have outstanding assignments, make sure to get those in. We are in the last 6 weeks of the semester, so it's important for you guys to get that stuff in. Some points are better than no points, and in this class, labs are worth a lot, so make sure you get back there and get those done. Reach out to me on my desk phone, 970-204-8419. I'll gladly help you come up with a plan so we can get you mark this class as a success for you, and then you can move on to the other courses. Once again, have a good Monday. Welcome back from spring break, Larimer campus, and have a fun spring break, Westminster and Boulder.